How to delete Telegram account instantly and permanently. Hi guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete your Telegram account. In order to delete your Telegram account, first thing, make sure that your application is completely updated. So for that, you have to go to your Play Store and check the application is updated or not. Then you have to log in. Once you're logged in, that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner and go to the settings icon. As you do that, you'll be able to see your settings or profile page and all that. Scroll down a bit and you have to go to the section that says help. Under it, you have to click on Telegram FAQ. That's going to direct you to the FAQ section. So here you need to scroll down a bit and go to the section that says your account. Under it, you have to click on delete your Telegram account. As you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So go through all of these information and click on deactivation page in order to expand the link. That's going to directly take you to the other field where you have to enter in the phone number associated with your Telegram account and tap the next button. On the other page, it's going to ask you to give a reason for deactivating or deleting your account. So select the reason and enter in the verification code that will be sent through the registered phone number, and you will be notified with a statement that your account has been permanently deactivated. Then you've successfully deactivated or deleted your Telegram account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.